Hello, this is Don Chater again, giving you some free tips and tricks on your website here. So one thing that came out a year or two ago, Google de-ranking sites that are not secure, and other search engines are following in suit. That was about a year ago. I see your website was made 2013, and so I've seen this before. One of my other clients was not secure. We got them what's called a SSL certificate, and it was actually free. You just click the button, whatever you're hosting, whoever's hosting your website. It could be like GoDaddy, or maybe it says down here. Oh, I don't see any name. All these, maybe these Helu guys, they could probably do it for free. If you did it yourself, some places I've seen it like $10 a year. So it's a easy thing to get done for no cost, just a little bit of time to find it. So, but yeah, I had one client there on page 5. It instantly got them to the bottom of page 1 just from changing this. So websites do not like this, especially a business website where there's money exchanged. There's some browsers will just hit you with a browser. A customer might be trying to come to your website, and they'll instantly get a notification that they're not secure. So just a tip there to uh, get something changed. You might see instant some customers finding you if you get to the first page of Google. So hope that helps. Let me know if you need any help or questions with this. And I do this for a living, and I made my first website 20 years ago. So hit me up if you need any help. Have a good day.